We all know that Power Slash Studios made Mage Bird and Hero Knight. But did you know? What if I told you they're similar? Well, you might think it's not true. Well, it is true. But first, like and subscribe. So, because my YouTube name is Carrot, and I want to reveal my real one. So, please like and subscribe for that to happen. So let's play the trailer. So let's play the trailer of Mage Bird. You see how it's attached. When I first watched the trailer, I think it was like a fun game. But then I started realizing, and when I discovered Hero, I'm like, this is Hero Knight is kind of suspicious. Because it's like Mage Bird that Power Slash Studios also made. Yeah. So the basic thing is always similar. But there's just one different thing. One time Mage Birds can have a boss or something. Yeah, like the one you just saw and the one we are seeing right now. Keep watching. And then we'll show off Hero Knight. I mean, I'll show off Hero Knight. Oh, I forgot to subscribe. And that's what happens if you lose in the game. Now time for Hero Knight. You see, it just has an intro. In box. So we're gonna see. You see those enemies coming? I told you, it's similar. Look, it has enemies, and you have to try to fight them all before they take your health. Like, for example, if you're a beginner, I'd recommend using your sword to fight them off. But when you get to Chamber and you have these potions, use the sword and the potions, because that helps you a lot. Those are some tips for beating Mage Bird and Hero Knight. Sorry for turning so much. So, that's why Mage Birds and Hero Knight is similar. Bye.